Hey everyone, it's me Mark, and in this video I just want to show you a quick tip. So if you have old iPads around at home, there's one thing you can do. Don't throw them away. You can use them as an external display for your Mac, or you can use them as a digital whiteboard. So I use them as a digital whiteboard to draw on screen. Like I can do like so, and I can take my Apple Pencil and I can draw to explain things. So I'm actually using that to teach, right? I can do like this, and I can draw on the other iPad if I want to, right? So same thing, but with my head like being up here and using the full screen. So it's like side by side or like this. And another thing I can do is I can use it as an external display to either extend the display I have now to have more space to like put stuff on there, like my notes, or maybe a Facebook thread or the comments or something like that. So I can watch the comments on one display, right? So if you have multiple iPads, you can actually put comments on one display. Or I can use it as an audience monitor. Let me just show you what I mean. So I'll just click here to my second camera, and up here I have another iPad. So all I need to do to like extend this iPad as another monitor is that I got to let's go to settings over here. So you just open up the settings in your Mac and then go to displays. You can actually go to display settings right away by clicking on the top of your Mac and then switching to the display settings if it's shown there. And then this is macOS X Ventura. So you'll need to do this differently here. Before Ventura, before the upgrade, you had to like turn on AirPlay. But here, or Air Display, you have to like click on here to like the plus button, right? So you click on the plus button and then you choose the iPad. So I have 3 iPads here. So I'll choose my iPad Pro, okay? So let me just share my screen over here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Just a minute. Okay, so I'll choose my iPad Pro. I'll click on here. And then choose my iPad Pro as an extended display. Okay. So now if I switch to over here, you can see that if I close this over here, that I'm using my iPad Pro over here as an extended display, right? So here we go. Just a minute. Here we go. So I'm using it as an extended display. The good thing about that is that if you're using Ecamm, you can choose this as your audience monitor. So if I use Ecamm now, so let me just click back over here so you can see the whole screen. I can go up here to output on Ecamm Live Pro. Let me zoom in over here, output, right? And then I can go to video monitor, and then I'll choose the video monitor over here. So if you can see this, I'll choose the video monitor over here. Now let me just scroll in here so you can see it. So output, video monitor, right? Video monitor. And then over here, I'll choose my sidecar display. All right, so that's how you, let me just click on the button here. So that's how you use the sidecar display as an external display to like to see what you're sharing with Ecamm. And you can also attach your iPad as a digital whiteboard just by plugging it into your Mac and opening Ecamm, and then click on Ecamm to connect it. So just have to, if I open up Ecamm over here, if I scroll over here, if I hover over like the main window, I can see all the gadgets that are connected over here, right? So all I need to do to like connect an iPad is click on the iPad, and it'll connect automatically after I click on it. So just click to start over here, click to start, and then it'll connect the iPad. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Let me just de-share my screen over here. And if you have any questions, then please comment down below in the comments. And go ahead and keep your iPads and use them as external displays or as a digital whiteboard. Hope to see you soon. Take care and bye-bye. Oh, by the way, I'll just put my thingy on the screen so you can like see this. Okay, bye-bye.